This is all we're going to need except for flour. We'll need flour. Otherwise, this is it for puppy cookies. Yes, puppy cookies. Let's do this. Okay, in the bowl we've got 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1/3 cup of pumpkin, 1 egg, and I'm going to put in 1/2 cup, not 1/2 cup, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then we'll just stir it up. Okay, and in there then we're going to put 1 1/4 cup, 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, let's just take a little, like so, and put it down on the cookie sheet, like so. Do it one more time, and then I'll finish it. Just like that. Just 1 short of 2 dozen. So you could or you could not do that with this, what I'm about to tell you. You could just do this if you want. Not necessary. Okay. The oven is at 350. We're going to put these in the oven for 10 minutes and we'll see what what it looks like then. Okay, here they are out of the oven. Now, I just put mine in for 10 minutes and they seem to be nice and soft. You could put yours in a little longer if you have dogs that like to crunch on their whatever it is you give him. But my Nacho, he's got really, he needs them soft, basically. So, and I know that he'll get them soft. So, that's it. Let me see if I can call Nacho and see what he thinks. Here you go, Nacho. Come on. He's gonna get it then. How about you? Okay, he's liking it. I think when it's cooled off. I think when it's cooled off. All right, guys, that's it for me today. I'll see you tomorrow. Remember, I love you, but God loves you so, so much. Give him a call, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.